Coding GPT in Spreadsheet refers to the process of recreating the generative pre-trained architecture in a spreadsheet. This is an open-source effort to replicate the AI model in a more accessible format, using widely available software like spreadsheets. The technique involves leveraging existing libraries and frameworks to build a functional GPT-like model that can be used for various applications, such as natural language processing and generation tasks. The utility of coding GPT in Spreadsheet lies in its ability to democratize access to AI capabilities by providing an easy-to-use, cost-effective means of building and deploying AI models. Code 2 prompt transforms codebases into Markdown prompts for language models. This technology allows developers to utilize pre-trained language models like Llama or Codex to generate natural language input for their software development tasks, such as writing unit tests or creating technical documentation. The utility of this approach lies in its ability to accelerate the programming process by eliminating the need for manual prompting. Additionally, it facilitates collaboration among team members and improves code quality. It can help streamline tasks such as data preprocessing, feature engineering, and model training by providing a human-readable input that is easier to understand than traditional code. Over the years, the creators have developed dozens of tutorials to help users master state-of-the-art computer vision models and techniques. In this repository, you will find examples and tutorials covering a wide range of models, from classic ResNet to cutting-edge innovations like YOLO, DITA, Grounding Dino, SAM, and even GPT-4 Vision. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, there is something here for everyone. Dive in, start exploring, and elevate your computer vision skills. Feedback via attention-based reference. Image conditioning is a technique to incorporate iterative feedback into the generative process of diffusion models based on stable diffusion. This is done by exploiting the self-attention mechanism in the U-net in order to condition the diffusion process on a set of positive and negative reference images that are to be chosen based on human feedback. The study focused on iterative workflow and proposed a technique based on sparse feedback that aims to aid in steering the generative process towards desirable and away from undesirable outcomes. This is achieved by using positive and negative feedback images to manipulate future results through reference image conditioning. Simply repeating the setup allows for iterative refinement of the generated images based on an arbitrary feedback source. Alibaba's 2N uses a unique neural network architecture to process vast amounts of data, making it suitable for applications such as chatbots, virtual assistants, and content creation. In comparison, Meta's Llama 3 is a large language model designed for generating human-like text. It uses transformer-based architectures to generate contextualized responses, making it suitable for applications such as conversational AI, writing assistants, and customer service platforms. While both technologies share some similarities in their capabilities, they have distinct differences in terms of their architecture, applications, and potential use cases. Alibaba's Qwen 2 seems more focused on NLP and chatbot-like interactions, whereas Meta's Llama 3 is geared towards generating contextualized text for various applications. DreamMat is a high-quality physically-based rendering material generation technique that utilizes classical graphic techniques to render compelling output given a 3D mesh. This technique offers significant improvements in texture generation for 3D objects, providing a more realistic and visually appealing output compared to traditional rendering methods. DreamMat utility lies in its ability to simplify complex AI developments by creating accessible and informative content. For instance, the technique can be applied in areas such as computer-generated imagery film production, architecture visualization, scientific simulations, or video games development, where high-quality rendering and photorealistic output are crucial.